Hello everyone, today I am going to explain you the nitrogen cycle, which is one of the most important topic of the chapter Microorganisms. The nitrogen cycle involves the following steps. The first step of nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixation. Second step of nitrogen cycle is known as nitrogen assimilation. Third step of nitrogen cycle is known as ammonification. Fourth step is nitrification. And the fifth step is known as denitrification. Now, this is our nitrogen cycle. So the nitrogen which is present in the air, it cannot be absorbed by the plants directly. So this nitrogen needs to be converted into the soluble forms. During lightning, under high pressure, there is a reaction between nitrogen and the oxygen present in the air. So they result in the formation of the nitrates. Second step involved in nitrogen fixation is through the bacteria which is known as rhizobium. This bacteria is found in the roots of leguminous plants. So this bacteria converts the nitrogen in the air into the nitrate compounds. This bacteria is also found in the soil. So it can also be converted directly into the nitrates present in the soil. Fourth step is by adding fertilizers. By adding the fertilizers, we can also get the nitrate compounds. So all these three steps are included under nitrogen fixation. Second step was nitrogen assimilation. Now, the plants, they absorb these nitrates present in the soil and they convert them into the plant proteins. Now, these proteins are taken up by the animals as food. So this process is known as nitrogen assimilation. How can we define it? It is the process of conversion of inorganic nitrogen compounds into organic compounds so that they become a part of living organism. Now our next step is ammonification. Ammonification is the process of conversion of proteins into ammonia. So when the plant and the animals die, their dead and decay convert into the nitrates present in the soil with the help of the decay bacteria. So this process is known as ammonification. Fourth step is nitrification. Now what happens during nitrification? Some of these compounds are taken up by the plants while rest of them are converted into the nitrates with the help of nitrifying bacteria. So this process of conversion of ammonia into nitrates with the help of nitrifying bacteria is known as nitrification. The last step of nitrogen cycle is called denitrification. Now, during this process, some of the nitrates are absorbed by the plants while the rest of them are converted directly into the nitrogen in the atmosphere, and this happens with the help of denitrifying bacteria. So this process of conversion of the nitrates back to the nitrogen is known as denitrification. So this is a cyclic process where the nitrogen is fixed, used by the plants and the animals, and later on returned to the nitrogen present in the air or to the atmosphere. So this is all with the nitrogen cycle. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you and have a good day.